Well, I went to the thrift shop to see this beautiful dollhouse, and I went home with this beautiful Singer 15 treadle. And now it's in my sewing space in the attic. I'm moving the machine back in place now. The decals are beautiful. It's an Egyptian sphinx. And here you see another one. And here you will find the serial number. And I love the internet. Here is a database of Singer sewing machines. And my serial number starts with the F of fabric. Oh, I'm going too fast. Yeah. Let's see. Letter F, yeah. Oh, the numbers? Machine class. Model number. Alright. Quantity. 9, 10. Oh, that's rare. Ah, date and year. And where they have been made. Oh, that's great. 1910. Oh, no. I have to scroll. Yeah. 3322763. I found it. Ah, the machine is 15K. Well, that's the machine model number. Oh, they made 200,000 of it. Oh, that's quite a lot. It's not rare. Well. It's made in between January and June 1913. Oh, that's great. I've got a sewing machine that's more than 100 years old. Oh, I love it. It's made in Clydebank in Scotland. I'm living in the Netherlands. I know where Scotland is, but Clydebank. My sewing machine was made here. Near Glasgow. And one day it was shipped to the Netherlands. The factory. An old picture. Oh, it was near the railway station. It's clever. The factory closed in June 1980. The complex of buildings was demolished in 1989. This website from Sandman Collectibles is also great to identify your Singer machine. Questions and answers not necessarily follow a numeral. Questions and answers. Okay, yeah, I'll start with this one. The needle plates. Do they form a cross? No, definitely not. 40. Okay. While facing the machine, where is the tension adjustments? In front. Yeah. This is the one. The left side. I like this quiz. It's on the left side. You're most likely to have a model 15 with several styles. No, it's non-electric. It's a treadle. Do I have such a colored wheel? No, I don't. Oh, I'm finished just right now. I don't have a wheel, so I have an early model 15. Yeah. The Egyptian style, yes, I have. Look at the pictures below to confirm. Yes, that's my machine. Oh, okay, I can buy a manual over here. The machine looks perfect, though it has been used. It's a cabinet type 2, so it has 2 drawers. They're small, and in front there's a broad drawer, though also small. And as you can see, these knobs are not the original ones. They used to be wooden, and there are some missing. The spool winder is kind of loose. I'm not sure if it's damaged, but we'll find out. And this machine uses the round spools. So you can use your modern spool in this old machine. Yes, this is in place. And now over here. Yes. Oh, look! It works! Oh, great! Ah! Well, the machine works. I'm gonna try to sew. Oh, that's always a difficult job. Yeah. Got it. Okay. Yeah, this looks quite nice, but hélas, this isn't correct. There's a problem with the tension. I tried and tried, but went wrong. As you can see, it's not right over here, I suppose. There's a small part here which makes it this way. It looks like it's broken. I'm gonna check the internet to find out what went wrong. This picture made it very clear for me. On my machine there's only a very small part of iron, and I guess it's broke because I'm lacking this part of the tension spring. By the way, I love the design of this part. The internet brought me a lot, especially information about my sewing machine, and I guess I have to ask the internet for a new part with a new tension spring. Let's have a look. And I found a new one.